Welcome to Reflective Fashion Production. This is like love a luxury, to braid or not to braid. What I would like you to do is hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment down below. So here I wanted to show my nephew's hair before I got into it. And when I tell you that he has 4C hair, I never really experienced 4C hair. So I did say that I don't feel like 4C hair exists. It's very rare. And it's very rare, but this is 4C. And when I tell you I had a hard time with him, he was spinning around in a circle. He was brushing my doll's hair. He was doing a lot. So I got a workout in with him. However, I did spray his hair down with some avocado oil and peppermint. And we picked it out so you could see his fro is actually picked out before we shampooed his hair. So we got his shampoo done, and I used the hydrating shampoo and mask from Verb, which I really do love. And it actually did really good in his hair. So this is the beginning. This is his fro picked out, and this is his hair afterwards. I wanted to get like a video, but he kept moving around, and we had a good time. So tell me what you think. Don't forget to drop that comment below.